Yes, first of the season. Okay, so welcome to this video, and we're hopefully going to be Aurora hunting. It is the 1st of September and there's meant to be a big Aurora storm hitting any day now, any couple of hours now. So into the 1st of September, into the 2nd of September. So I'm here on the 1st of September, up at the very top of Scotland, not the very top of Scotland, the Moray coast. I'll pop it on the map. So I'm at the very far northeast of kind of the mainland sort of thing. Because this is where there's a wee bit of chance that it might be clear skies. The whole of Scotland's pretty crappy for clear skies for this event. It might not happen, we shall see. You know what Northern Lights is like, but even if we don't get Northern Lights tonight, I might still just photograph up here if we get the clear skies, because it'll be nice, and I'm just absolutely gagging to get out. So I'm just at the beach, right on the north of the coast, and I'm just kind of looking around for some foregrounds just now, because there's not much foregrounds here. As you can see, it's just a plain beach, which is not photographically great, but that's why I'm just kind of here. Oh, this is something over here. So this is the first maybe foreground. I'll be careful to where I put my footprints, because they're gonna leave, damn it. Oh well. But this might be a foreground, so you know, if we get Northern Lights away there in the north and use that as a foreground, that's probably actually the best one I've got so far. Yep, I'll keep that in the bank. The van is just beyond this hill, so, but as you can see, there's not much foreground at all here. You know, maybe bits of grass here and there, but I do like that. That's definitely going to get used tonight maybe. We're waiting for the CME to actually hit us, but we've just got predictions that it could be tonight, and yeah, we'll just see what happens. Maybe a tyre? Nah, I don't think so. That looks a bit weird, but yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'll update you about sunset, and just fingers crossed for the road to hit, because I want a really good show. Okay, so good news. I'm currently tucked up in my van and just been watching the stats to hopefully see the Aurora come in, and it's now about 10 o'clock, and thankfully I'll pop an image up on the screen here. The CME has arrived. It's looking very, very good. Perfect timing as well. It'll take about an hour or so just to actually kind of get going and actually hit us. So it's just been, the CME's just gone past this, like the satellite that's a wee bit nearer the sun than us, so obviously it's going to get the data before we do, so it'll take about an hour for the solar energy to get to us, so it'll plenty of time for us to get kind of sorted and all ready. So pretty much I'm just going to start getting ready now and hopefully head to the beach, which is only 2 minutes away. So here's my equipment tonight. It's the usual equipment that I normally have. So I've got my Sony 50mm 1.8, Samyang 24mm 1.4. Under here is my big 14mm 1.4, the big beast, my favourite lens ever. Batteries in there, SD cards and batteries in there, USB charger, dew heater. Might not need that, it's a wee bit windy, so I don't think I'll be needing that. Microphone for recording this, headphones, and then more of my kind of wee dish towels that I've found to be very, very handy for astrophotography, just wiping things down. Starglow filter, Almo Starglow filter, a couple of intervalometers, battery charger, and a ball head that I can use on my tripod, because I've got like a panel head on my tripod, so I can take that off if I'm using different lenses, just the way the lenses are, I've got different clips to it. So yeah, pretty much all good. This might be the first time I'm going to take out my jackets this season, which I'm very much looking forward to. So yeah, let's get these under the stars. now. The Northern Lights is out, so the CME is here, but it's just not hugely strong just now. It's not really kicking off, it's just kind of staying dormant in this arc sort of form. So it's going to be a bit of a waiting game today. The skies are getting clearer and clearer, which is awesome. I can see the Milky Way, which is really cool, so I might get a picture of the Milky Way just whilst we wait. Annoyingly, this is quite hard for composition wise here. As you can see to my right, there's a boat in the sea, like just beside Fraserburgh. So Fraserburgh's got quite a lot of light pollution, which I didn't expect to be that bright. Plus this little boat is right kind of looking north, which is annoying, and it's really bright. So I've had to kind of wander down maybe half a mile down the beach just to try and get that bright ship out of the north view, because it was just blocking the green of the Northern Lights. So yeah, I'm away down the beach now. Composition wise, there's not much up here, it's literally just flat sand, but the tide is going out, so it's revealing more of the kind of the sand patterns and, you know, bits of water throughout the sand. So it's kind of working through the night. It's going down and down and down, so I think there'll be more compositions kind of down there. So you can see here what I mean about in the foreground. It's just the tide going out and, you know, a bit more water features. So hopefully, you know, all this sort of foreground might look quite nice with hopefully some pillars over there. But as you can see, it's quite a lot of light pollution there, which is a bit of a pain. But hey ho. And then yeah, we've got the Milky Way kind of just over there. So I might go and play about with the Milky Way for a wee bit over the sand dunes. So I'm going to shoot the Milky Way down this little viewpoint. It's literally just behind the dunes. Obviously you can see the Aurora is roughly, if I get focus, over there. So it's a bit dormant just now. But I just thought, as I said, to shoot the Milky Way. So here it is just there. It's not the darkest skies you can get, because there's quite a lot of light pollution from Fraserburgh, and then you've got kind of Aberdeen over there. But it's still pretty nice. And obviously we've got some nice sand, and then, you know, just the water, and then some dunes over there. So a nice portrait picture here will look pretty nice, I would think. So I'm going to get the 14mm 1.4 and try and capture this scene. I think this could turn out quite well. Taking the image now. Always forget how good this lens is. Every time I switch from a lens to this lens, it's just another level of photography. Everything's just much sharper, much more detailed, better colours, better exposure, better highlights, better shadows. It's just, like that, it's just beautiful. The white balance is off, but that's just my error. Yeah, just a portrait. It's just a lovely portrait view of the Milky Way over this, don't know what you call it, just little tiny like river going to the sea. I might put the star glow filter on just to emphasise the, what do you call it, the summer triangle. And yeah, if the image turns out good, which I think it's turned out good, I'll pop the image up now and yeah, we'll see what else we can capture. Okay, so I think I played about with the Milky Way there. I think that turned out really, really well. And I played about with looking northeast to the, you know, to kind of Pleiades and the northeast side of the Milky Way. And yeah, images look alright. So I'm going to kind of go back to the north view, to the Northern Lights, and just kind of wait it out really. It's really warm, so just gotta pretty much just chill and maybe play about with my phone or something, I don't know. But there's still green arc there, it's just not doing anything actually. Let's see, I've not been on an app for about half an hour whilst I've been playing about here with other pictures, so it's still, yeah, it's up and down. The BZ line's not staying south, which is a bit frustrating. So it's not kicking off any. Its goal will be there, but it's just not kicking off. It's still getting stronger apparently, but I don't know. I don't know what's happening. So I'll just go and chill over there. So let's see what happens. So I literally just packed everything away to just chill for a wee bit, and look, the Northern Lights have just had a wee explosion. I'm like, damn it! But the clouds are kind of in the way, which is a bit annoying. It's so quick how it happens. I mean, if you're watching this, you've probably done astrophotography and a bit of Aurora, but the speed that the Aurora comes out, whoa! I've got a reflection over like a little tide pool, and it's just like a wall of Aurora reflecting on it. Oh yeah, this lens just makes it look so good. Whoa, it's kind of kicking off a wee bit. Jeez, if this BZ line goes south, holy hell, I don't know what we're going to see. Whoa. Oh, that is looking good over there. Yes, first of the season. So look at that, it's proper kicked off now. Look at how red it is over Fraserburgh. Holy moly. And then unfortunately there's a big bit of cloud there, but that's, you know, all the way over there. But geez, oh, look at that. Holy moly. That's insane. I'm just going to keep taking pictures. Yay. Ho, that is red. Wow, just that, if that cloud wasn't there, that would be spectacular. Ah well. It's a bit of a weird one. Obviously you can see it kind of pillaring behind us, but it's not exploded the way I thought it would explode. There is another burst in another half an hour, hopefully. This is the thing with the Aurora, you never actually know if the burst that you see on the data is actually going to turn into anything. But yeah, I'll stay out till about 3 o'clock because I really want to get this composition because it just looks awesome. I just want a good couple of pillars. As you can see, a wee bit of clouds coming in now as well. I've been waiting about 45 minutes, an hour. Just Aurora hunting is just like that, you just never know. You can do your best to predict things, but you know, at the end of the day, it does what it wants. But yeah, I'll just hang about till about 3 o'clock, so it's 10 to 2 now, and then you know, twilight comes in just after 3, so. Well, I'm afraid that's it for tonight. As you can see behind me, there's loads of cloud coming over now, and it's just getting a wee bit more. Even from the south, it's kind of coming up more. So there's meant to be a burst kind of in the next half an hour, but honestly, with the cloud cover behind, well, in the sky, I doubt we're going to see anything. So I think that's pretty much going to wrap up the night. Can't really complain. I thought we would have had a wee bit more bursts, but I'm not going to complain for that show. It was a really good wee quick show earlier and got some pretty good pictures. So not the best pictures I've ever taken, but I think pretty damn decent enough. There was still a wee bit of cloud in the sky, but very happy nonetheless, and hopefully the video turned out really well. I think it was quite an exciting video. I really enjoyed the wee trip, so we'll see where we end up next time. But this Sunday is because it's Monday night now, and this Sunday there's a total lunar eclipse, even though it's on the horizon, so it'll be rising when it's fully eclipsed, so that'll be pretty cool to try and capture. So just fingers crossed with the weather, and hopefully capture a total lunar eclipse coming over the horizon, which would be amazing. So we'll see how we get on. So hopefully that's the next video, we shall see. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Oh, don't forget to check out my new book. It's quite a big chunky book. I've probably got a video of it already on the channel. Yeah, it's now on sale on my website, so it's like a guidebook, so it's how to forecast the Northern Lights, everything you need to know about the dark skies of Scotland, quite a lot of detail about astrophotography, pretty much just everything you need to know about the night sky, stargazing, Scotland, astrophotography, northern lights, noctiluns and clouds, moon rises, sets, anything you need to know. Also, I've got another photographer, Helena Cochran. She's a great deep sky astrophotographer, so she did a chapter about deep sky photography, because it's not normally my niche, but she's really good at it, so her pictures have turned out really well. To be honest, all the pictures in the book are fantastic, just the way it's printed is really, really good. So very happy with it, very quality product, so please check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, that's about it, so I'll just kind of get in the van now, get some kit. Okay, thank you very much for watching again.